Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I am Sir Bilal and I am going to teach you computer science. We will continue the chapter data representation in today's video. These are the contents which are mentioned in your notebook for the chapter data representation, and we have discussed introduction, data, information and number systems earlier, and today we are going to discuss number system conversion. So let's proceed. Today we will learn about the conversion from other systems to decimal system. Converting from other system to decimal system involves multiplication. Multiply each digit of the given number by its positional weight. The base of the given number multiplies each positional weight, and then the final value is obtained. The final value is obtained by adding each positional value. We can perform this process through these steps. Multiply each digit of the given number by its base raised to positional power. Then add all results of multiplication of each position. Now we are going to convert a binary number into decimal number. We have 10011 in binary number and we have to convert it into decimal number. As we know that we have to do a multiplication to convert into a decimal number. We are converting 10011 into decimal by multiplying each digit by 2 and applying power from 0, which is starting from the right side and is raised towards the left, and we got the answer 19 with base 10 because 10 is the base of the decimal number system. The equivalent decimal number is 19 for binary number 10011. Now we are going to convert an octal number into a decimal number. We have given 546 in octal number and we have to convert it into a decimal number. As we know that we have to multiply it, but we will multiply it by 8 because 8 is the base of an octal number and we are going to convert it into an octal number. We are multiplying by 8 and we are applying the power which is starting from the right side and is raised towards the left, and after the simplification we got the answer 358 with base 10 because 10 is the base of the decimal number system. The decimal equivalent of the number 546 is 358. The last conversion to decimal is from hexadecimal. We have given a question 3AC8 which is in hexadecimal and we have to convert it into a decimal number. Same procedure we will apply. We will multiply it, but we will multiply it by 16 because it is the base of hexadecimal, and we will apply power which is starting from the right side and is raised towards the left, and after the simplification we have the answer 15048 with base 10. 10 is the base of the decimal, that's why we apply it. The decimal equivalent of this number is 15048. Okay students, so this is the end of your today's video lecture. You people can ask me any query regarding to this video lecture in our class, and we will continue more conversions in our upcoming videos. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.